Learning to listen and sort sounds is helpful for children who find listening or saying sounds hard. In speech therapy, your child may be practicing sorting sounds in different ways to help them tune in. Here's how to help them. Make sure you model the sound and not the letter. When we say this sound, we say S and not the letter S. Remember to do this with all the sounds to help your child's listening. You and your child may be asked to practice listening between two sounds. Say the sound to your child and see if they can hear the sound you've said. You can use cued articulation to help them. Use lots of different ideas to keep it fun, like posting, Play-Doh, counters and games like Pop-Up Pirate. You may have been practicing sorting sounds by their property or how we make them. This could be if a sound is long and short, loud and quiet, or front and back. Say the sounds to your child as you sort them. Remember to give lots of clues like cued articulation or showing them to start with until they get confident. So these boards are long and short. So our first sound is S. S. So this one is our long sound. Our next sound is G. G. And this one goes on our short pile. Next sound, K. K. Goes on our short sound. Our next one, D. D. So again, remembering to model using cued articulation as this can help. Our next sound is F. This is our long sound. And the last one, And this one goes on our long sound. Here you can see which sounds are long and which are short. So next we have our loud and our quiet board. So our first sound is D. D. And this is a loud sound. Our next sound, S. S. And this one is our quiet sound. Next sound, K. K. Again, this one is a quiet sound. Our next one, G. G. This one is our loud sound. Next one, F. F. That one's a quiet sound. And our last one, This one is our loud sound. Here you can see which sounds are loud and which are quiet. Some sounds are made at the front of your mouth and some are made at the back. So our final boards are our front and back boards. So our first sound is K. K. And K is made at the back of our mouth. Next sound, S. S. So this sound is made at the front. Our next one, F. F. Again, this sound is made from the front. Our next sound is D. D. So another front sound. Our next one, G. G. This sound comes from the back. And then, This sound is made at the front. Here are our front and our back sounds. Whichever sorting you are practicing, keep the practice fun. Use different games to help your child. You can also watch our game ideas video to help. Helping your child to notice and listen for sounds will help your child with their speech and talking. See our toolkit for our sound properties resource. This pack tells you how to sort the sounds.